Workshop Wednesday, everybody. That was a pretty weak workshop, wasn't it? We had a good time yesterday. No, I don't have a headache, but yes, I'm a little sleepy after a full day of activities of 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. Life was good. Been clicking on a pair of Spurs today. Show y'all what I got going. This is gonna be pretty fancy ones. It's all pretty cool. I'm gonna have some pinstripe inlay, some plate inlay there. They'll have a brand, which I can't show, but there'll be brand in here in gold and some silver inlay here, all pinstripe inlay around the edges, and away we go. And then we'll have initials on the inside. But kind of creation, a little California looking shank and contemporary Texas style band a little bit. So as I normally do, twisting and pulling things, and got the hinges made for it. So all is good. And then y'all look here, look over there.
Hey everybody!
Eli done stole my spot. Eli likes the microscope. Eli really likes the microscope. He thinks the microscope is cool. Hold on, let me make sure I didn't get. Oh no, shoot, we're good. I thought I had the zoom up big until my eyeballs be big, but you hate it when that happens. I know you do. It's all good. So 2 weeks away, July 22nd, I'll be at the Briscoe Museum in San Antonio, Texas, for National Day of the Cowboy, which will be fun. I'll take the engraving set up, and we'll have it plugged into a TV so y'all can watch me click along and do a little engraving. And then what else is kicking? So I don't know if I showed y'all that. Not in the video. That's kind of cool. Got the old fireplace poker deal done up. I got it up here so Drago the Wonder Mutt doesn't chew on rawhide, on Pablo's rawhide braiding. And see up there, got the little concho. That's all pretty cool. That was fun. That's some fun forging. The square corners, these parts, and you do that right there. These things, that up there. Those are hard to execute. So that was a lot of fun. Good learning process for me. So Patreon's rocking and rolling. Podcast doing good. What else? We Workshop Wednesday. Here we are. Workshop Wednesday kicking. So if y'all got any news, well, tell me. We'll be clicking along. Me and Eli, we're gonna get back in the groove next week. Well, we're gonna finish out. We're gonna finish this week strong and go at it next week and see what happens. So anyhow, we will stay in touch. Holler if you need something. Adios.